Hey Mo from HotJet, how the heck are you? Want to go over our 59 horsepower Yanmar that generates 20 gallons at 4,000. Now, if you consider that, that's a good solid 10% over the 18 at 4s. We figured why not, because you can rev it up, rev it down to give you more power. We've built this on a plate and put it in a 16 by 7, no, it's 20 by 7. This is a 20 by 7 red trailer for Mr. James Moore. Beautiful trailer. I don't know how many rigs he's gotten from us, quite a few. It's a V-nose, cut through the air, sure fits through. We had it built with 10K running. Look at these header boards, header pieces of steel. I'm used to wood. Look at the size of that. Was that 12 inch? Yeah, that's pretty badass. So I kind of want to show the trailer. He went for the heavier duty at 16 inch on centers, full on 8 lugs. So super duty. You know, the lighter duty stuff looks pretty, but may not give the performance you want. We'll take a quick peek inside. This will make just a short video here. You got room for cameras, cables, whatever up in front. He was going to decide where to put the spare. We got a milk barn heater, and that's wired in, so you just put the plug on the outside when it's cold. That'll keep the air circulating, keep this warm. There's the Yanmar power plant, primer. Everything's really good access this way. To fuel, we put a side fuel door in, so you can get right at fuel, relief valve, primer valve, filter. Got really good access right there. So we can order these trailers in custom color. It adds 8 weeks to the build. Or if you're gonna wrap it, WTH, man, you can get it white. We keep white in stock for the most part, 16 footers mainly. So this one's custom. I'll show the back end. Excuse me. End of the day here. Was sunny. Was sunny when I said, hey, let's make a video. Clouded up. So you got all the same type controls, easy start valve, on off on the units here. Got high DAC, German valves, best in the business. Wash down reel. 300 feet of 3/8, 500 a half ID. So fully loaded package. It's got the twin 300 gallon, I'll call them the horizontal tanks, so that's 600 gallons. Now this is all built on a plate, basically 4 bolts, right? Or is there more than that?
There's 4. Yeah.
Four bolts, boom. You can take a big forklift and take it out. If you want to change the trailer, pull the engine, if you got major service. We've also got the full-on Whelen brand road indicator. Also got full lighting inside. Got lighting here, lighter up front. This has been foamed. Nice in the summer, keeps it cool. Super nice in the winter. Foam sprayed in. Drain. Guide. Got your hose reel guides. So that's nice. You can take this out, boom. You just go right to work there. Oh, we could put the nozzle holder here that's for 10 nozzles, right? Mm-hmm. 12, that's nice. So you got all your nozzle selection right there. Have to load that up for them. Fast fill. Shut off inside. Yep. Awesome. So, you know, you can fast fill, which is really nice. You could also stick a hose up in. You got recirculators on both the tops of these, but all your controls are here. And, you know, this is full remote control. We'll go around, we'll look at the other side. Access to the heater. This got the full-blown heat system. So this is our 20 at 4,000 Big Daddy hot water. Getting ready to ship out. I'm gonna make a quick walk around video before it goes out. So look at that access. You know, boom, big doors. We have these custom made. Antifreeze tanks right there. An exhaust up and out. Sometimes we'll take the exhaust and just aim it towards the door. But if you need custom, want super duty, that's what we're known for. Cheap's always cheap. You know, I say it in all these other videos. Cheap's what you get, what you pay for, right? So appreciate that. Appreciate all the business over the years for all the HotJet group. Take care. Call for details.